Meet Dan. Dan works for a large company and provides for his wife Susan and their 2 children. Dan's group insurance plan at work does not include critical illness coverage, as he recently learned through his HR manager. In his role, Dan has to deal with lots of customer issues and constant stress. Dan also has a long family history of heart problems. If Dan suffers a heart attack and unable to work, his family won't have the money they need to live a normal life. Dan is worried and calls his insurance broker Rob for some help. Rob tells Dan about critical illness insurance. Critical illness insurance covers you for several conditions like heart attack, stroke, cancer, and others by paying you a lump sum that would enable you to pay your bills while you're getting better. Dan decides to do the right thing for himself and his family by getting a personally owned critical illness insurance policy, and can now sleep better at night knowing he and his family are protected. If you do not currently own a critical illness insurance policy, talk to your insurance advisor today and learn how you can protect yourself and your family from life's unexpected events.